Hello, third grade, and welcome to our math skill for today. Today we will be doing our assignment on Edulastic because we will be taking our Edulastic quiz on Thursday. As I follow along, please make sure that you are following along with me using the notepad tool. I will be able to see what you are writing, and pause the video whenever you need more time. Go ahead and get there right now. You can pause the video to help you. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and begin. Remember, when we are finding area, we use the formula length times width equals area. And we can use fact families to help us move those around if we only have certain parts. Click the trash can to get rid of everything. Now our word problem says Jenna makes a garden with 3 rows of flowers and 4 flowers in each row. How many total flowers does Jenna have in her garden? So I'll draw, we have 3 rows and we have 4 flowers in each. I have my length and my width. To find the area, I can multiply my length times my width. 3 times 4. Now I've been practicing my 4s, and hopefully you guys have been at home as well to get your multiplication movie challenge prize. And 3 times 4 equals 12. I'll click on the notepad. Click on the box below to type in 12, and there are 12 total flowers. Click Next. Fatima wants to cover her sister's bedroom door with wrapping paper as a birthday surprise. The door is 7 feet tall and 3 feet wide. How many square feet of wrapping paper will she need to buy? So we can draw this out. Now I see we have 7 feet tall, so that tells me the height. The height is another way to say the length. 7 feet. FT is the abbreviation for feet. And 3 feet wide. 3 feet. Now I know to find the area, I multiply the length times the width. 7 times 3, 7 feet times 3 feet. And it already gives us our square feet right here. We just have to figure out what 7 times 3 is. I'm going to use the strategy of repeated addition to find the answer. 7 plus 7 plus 7. I'm going to give you a second to catch up and write all of that out. Pause the video if you need to. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7 more is 21. 21 square feet is how much area needs to be covered by the wrapping paper. Click on the notepad, type in 21, and then click Next. Susan drew a shaded rectangle on a grid, as shown below. What is the area in square units of Susan's shaded rectangle? Show or explain how you got the answer. So we're going to show our work. First, I need to find the length, and I can do that by counting these square units. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I can count the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then to find the area, I multiply the length times the width. Now this one I want you to solve on your own, either if you know what 4 times 6 is, or you can draw it out by drawing 4 groups of 6, or repeated addition. At the bottom, I want you to write your answer. What is 4 times 6? Do not forget that area is always in square units. Pause the video to finish that part. And then click Next. find the area of the rectangle. Remember, area is length times width. We have our length, we have our width, 9 feet times 4 feet. And they already put our units for our area. Once again, you'll have to solve for 9 feet times 4 feet. This third one you will also do on your own. 3 centimeters times 8 centimeters length times width equals our area. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. We only have the length and the width, and we're trying to find which one has the area of 32 square units. That means that I need to find the area of every single one to see which one has the area of 32 square units. Let's go ahead and start at the bottom. And I know length times width, so 2 times 9 is going to give me the area. So 2 times 9, I know my 2's, so that is 18. That is not 32, so I'll cross that off. 4 times 6, is that 32? No, that's 24 square units, so it can't be C. 9 times 5, I can put 9 fingers up and count by 5s 9 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. That's not 32 either. So it's not that one. 8 times 4. That is 32. So my answer is A. Click on the notepad, click A, click next. Our very last one, we're going to have to draw a picture. Please make sure that you are following along carefully. Jen's garden is 4 feet wide and has a total area of 28 square feet. Explain how to find the length of Jen's garden. We're going to use our picture to help explain. So first I'm going to draw the garden. And it told me it's 4 feet wide. I don't know how long it is, but I do know that the area, the inside of the object, is 28 square feet. Now I can fill out length times width equals area. What I know? Well, I know that the width is 4 feet, and I know the area is 28 square feet. Pause the video so you can catch up and have this all written down. We don't know the length. Now we're going to have to switch this around so then we have our question mark by itself using fact families. So I know in a fact family, the largest number, the total goes first in a division problem. And then I can divide by my groups. To find what 28 divided by 4 is, I can use skip counting. And this is a strategy that Izzy used that I have not seen before, but I really love. So we're going to try it out this time. It's similar to using the bar method. So I'm going to count by 4s until I get to 28. 4 more than 4 is 8. 4 more than 8 is 12. 16, 20, 24, 28. Then I can circle and count how many times I had to skip count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 feet is my length. That's my missing number. Make sure you have all of this work to show your answer. Finish the ones that have not been completed, and then you may submit the assignment.